So let me talk about some physics. So this is for good for exam review. So basically you have your circle, and it's a little far into physics. This is basically general physics, and basically on the right, going around. So like that, we actually have our velocity, which we label as v, and then we have our little thing like that, and we can label that like that, and that would be our angular theta, and then we have r for radius. And then going towards the center, we have two things. We have AC and FC. And then we have this arrow. We have our W. And this kind of like a weird thing right here. Like that. That's what it looks like. Okay. That's basically A. And then we have right here our acceleration. And there we go, just like that. Okay, that's our circle. So, some equations. We have the change in goes S over radius. We have V equals W times R. And then we have this symbol again. Oh, I messed it up. Like that. That will give us acceleration over radius. And then we have I think it's like inertia, which is the sum of mass times radius squared. So you're dealing with this thing, this is sum. That's how you guys do that. So if you have the sum of this, it would be mass 1, radius squared, it could be 1. And then you plus, and you have another one, it'd be mass 2, and then it'll be radius. No, radius is always the same, so it'll just be this. It'll be mass 1 radius squared plus mass 2 radius squared, or just mass 2. Okay, and then we have some forces. So we have force and a little F on here, and that will equal to mass times gravity. Also have force equals to mass times acceleration. And then we're dealing with stable, like which the object is not moving. We have EF equals 0 and ET equals 0, which is force and torque, which is sum of torque and sum of torque. So for our torque, it would be F1, which is force. Oh, this would be sum of torque, which is force 1 times radius 1 times sine theta. And then for some of our forces, it would be some of our forces would be M1G plus M2G. Okay, and that's basically almost done. We have a little diagram right here. And we have M2, M1, and basically the equation that goes with this is force equals M1 G M2 all over radius squared, and then F could equal to MA, and you can bring that stuff down. So that goes down here, and then that will equal this. This will equal that. So guys, that kind of wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and catch you guys in the next one, and yeah, peace.